Hello, all. Happy morning. I'm just here to share few of my experiences and the kind of change that happened, after I got enrolled for this superhumans or supermind coach. Like coach said, habits either make us or break us. Initially, I had a lot of, inhibitions and laziness. So I just trusted him and, I started off. So the first thing I started doing was the daily routine, waking up early in the morning. Earlier it was around 8 o'clock. Then I started getting up at 5:30 and started doing the morning rituals. I just blindly believed what he said and I went on doing it. And secondly, I had developed diabetes, which was not there. I'm 55 and it wasn't there till now, but because of my anxiety, sleeplessness, my blood sugar just shot up. So now that has come down. I have stopped eating sweets, tea, coffee, everything I've reduced. Sugar intake I've reduced. Then these are some of the disciplines that are coming in. I've developed reading habit. Then I go to sleep, on time, whether I'm able to get sleep or not. I just lie down on the bed. That is another thing coach had taught us. Like I wasn't, it was very unfortunate. I lost my only child 2 years ago, and you know how it will. It's not one day problem. It's going to be there till my last breath. But then I started coping because of all these habits. Um, Another thing that happened was I used to feel lonely at times, helpless, nobody there to help. Now I'm thinking positively because when we do gratitude, it makes me realize, a lot of things God has blessed me with. So that is another thing. Uh, I think somewhere this consistency, commitment, the discipline that coach keeps talking about has made a lot of difference in just a matter of a month. I feel positive. I've started working towards self and also towards my goals, whatever it is. And he always keeps telling when I talk to him that perfection is a killer and action is the winner. Yes, I told him I get frustrated because I don't complete the tasks at time. So he says it's fine. You have taken action. So I believe all of us, through this sharing of mine, my journey in this last 1 month, it will help all of you. I think we all need to take that first step towards the discipline. So these are some 7, 8 things that I shared with you, that has made my life better. And one more thing is that I go regularly for walk also. It was around half an hour. Now I'm pushing it to 45 minutes, or even the distance is like I have increased the distance as well. So that is another thing that coach always will push yourself. I went for vision walk. I completed, 108 signatures with just 1.5 hours, or, within 2 hours. Like he sent me back twice. I did whatever he asked for. So I've learned to push myself. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I hope this will help you, take a firm decision for yourself.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.